Welcome! Today we'll explain how you can nicely finish outer corners with stiff wall covering. First, hang the drops in the middle of the wall. Since the best method of hanging wall covering depends on the kind of wall covering you use, we refer to our other instruction videos for more information. The last drop at the outside corner will often be narrower. Cut a drop of the wall covering to length. As usual, add 10 extra centimeters to the height of the wall. Mark the top on the back. Use a spirit level to check whether the corner is exactly perpendicular. If it is, you can fold the wall covering around the corner. We'll show you how to do this first, and later in the film we'll show the method that is used for corners that are not exactly perpendicular. Paste the wall on both sides of the corner with Arte Clear Pro or another high-quality adhesive. Position the drop against the previous one. At the top and bottom, make a small incision before you start to fold. On the back of the drop, use your snap-off knife to make a slight indentation at the fold line. This makes it easier to fold. Fold the drop around the corner and press it firmly. Make sure not to forget the outer corner. Finish in the same way as the other drops. Now we'll show you what to do if the corner is not exactly perpendicular. Paste the wall up to the corner and position the drop against the previous one. As always, press the drop firmly and cut off the excess at the ceiling and skirting board. Instead of folding the drop around, you now cut it off at the corner with a sturdy snap-off knife with a new blade. You can hold a metal plate against the front as a support and cut on the back side. As the corner is not exactly perpendicular, you need to work with a plumb line on the other side of the corner. In order to determine where you'll draw the plumb line, calculate the width of the wall covering minus a few centimeters. At this distance from the corner, you draw the plumb line. Use a template, for example, of plain non-woven wall covering. From this wall covering, cut a drop to length, adding 10 extra centimeters to the height of the wall. Apply a thin layer of adhesive to the wall. Position the template exactly against the plumb line. In this way, the template stays nicely in place and you do not make mistakes when cutting. Press the wall covering firmly at the ceiling and the skirting board. Cut it off neatly. Mark the top of the template with a cross and the corner side with an arrow. Carefully cut off the excess at the corner. Cut a drop to length. As usual, add 10 extra centimeters. Mark the top of the drop with a cross and the corner side with an arrow. Remove the template from the wall. Put it on the back of the good drop with the adhesive facing up. Make sure that the cross and arrow on the template correspond to the ones on the drop. Mark with a pencil where you will need to cut and remove the template. Cut off the drop. Paste the wall evenly again. Position the drop in the adhesive. As always, press it firmly. Thanks for watching, and good luck!